Welcome to Laversab's operator training course for the ART 7000 avionics radio test system. Laversab is dedicated to providing reliable and innovative products with exceptional service to the aviation industry. We are delighted to introduce our new RF test system. The ART 7000 is a portable, multi-function, Wi-Fi enabled RF tester, designed to cover all current radio test requirements and simplify aircraft testing. The system is user configurable and easily expandable to meet future radio testing needs. It has standard capabilities for communication, navigation, DME, ATC, ADS-B, and ELT. There are also options for testing TCAS and UAT. This training course is organized into multiple modules, each module covering a specific test capability, attribute, or function of the test set. The modular nature of the course simplifies the learning process and allows you to run through each area quickly. You will always be able to refer back to a specific module as needed for review. Thank you for purchasing the ART 7000. Now let's get started.